all the M boys right here. M5, M8, M3, F80. This thing is clean. This shit's nice. Look at this M8, bro. He is low. Oh, he's from New York. This shit's hella clean. Carbon roof. It's the 400Z. Next, it's 370 hard as hell, but I haven't seen this in person. Actually, I have. I just haven't seen it done yet. Bright seats, roll cage. Shit's nice. Z1 performance. Nice Nardo M3. It might be one of the cleanest NXXs I've seen, honestly. Nice. It's super clean. M3 on a Volks. Recaro seats. GT3. Color on this shit is sick. We got the tuckish going on. Sick ass color. On the back. I wonder if this is paint or not. I wonder if this paint. I mean, it looked like paint.
Oh, I need the full detail, bro. Get it up.
Lowrider boys. To the moon. GTR. This shit is sick. BDS's. Matte black. Actually a pretty clean ass car, dude. That's the exact setup I wanted to do to the Porsche. G80 boys. Sick. LS in it too. LS. Apex was. Yeah. And then that's it. Quick update on the video. The footage I have is messed up and corrupted. So this is the beginning of it. I will try to make a montage and use that footage. If y'all have a GoPro, y'all already know how these issues go, man. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit, might take a life for this shit. Put the Bible down and go eye for an eye for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I been stuffed out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for me, I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 years later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram, I be cautious. I be hanging night Thames, I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking life for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to broke, family selling dope. That's why you any ass rap niggas better know. I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sick. I gotta go hard on the page, I'ma make it look sick. I pull up, hop out, air out, made it look sexy. Hit me on my element, nah, hit me on my element. Bitch nigga, ayy, an imaginary rich nigga, ayy. 7 figures, hold that slimmer down, bitch figure, ayy. Going digital, physical, on all y'all, ayy. Bunch of criminals and money on my phone calls, ayy. Relocate, we let the A1 fly. Relocate, jump in the same G5. Check it funky heavy, cause I go, yeah. They never been ready, I know, yeah. 100K spread across the floor, yeah. None of y'all fucking with the flow, yeah. Years in the making, they don't got mistaken. I got them by a landslide, we talk about races. You know this never be a tie, just look at their laces. You know careers take off, just gotta be patient. Mr. 1 through 5, that's the only logic. Fake my death, go to Cuba, that's the only option. If I gotta snap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sick. Gotta go hard on the page, I'ma make it look sick. I pull up, hop out, air out, made it look sexy. Take me on my element, nah, take me on my element. Damn if I do, if I don't, goddamn it's all if you want. Damn, it's a goddamn shame. You ain't frontline, get out the goddamn way. Niggas thought they wasn't gon' see me, huh? Niggas thought that K'd out real life is the same life they see on TV, huh? Niggas wanna flex on me and be in LA for free, huh? Next time they hit the 10 freeway, we need to see, huh? Cause most of y'all ain't real, most of y'all go squill. Most of y'all just civvy, but jealousy get you killed. Most of y'all throw rocks and try to hide your hand. Just say his name and I promise that you'll see Candyman. Because it's all in your eyes. Most of y'all tell lies, most of y'all don't fade. Most of y'all been advised. Last OP I tried to lift the black artist, but it's a difference between black artists and whack artists.